Prosecution cannot be allowed to present a truncated part of a whole 2-hour, 26-minute video. That will not provide the context necessary for the understanding of what occurred during that night on November 23.
Your Honor, sorry, I will not even reply to that, Your Honor, please.
Sa kasaysayan ng ating republika, walang vice presidente na may kaibigan na hitman na nagpapapatay ng Pangulo. Ngayon lang. The prosecution asks only this. Look at the evidence. Listen to the witnesses.
This is not the first time that members of the House of Representatives have attempted to remove the Vice President and in a manner not compliant with the Constitution. Sa gitna ng pagtatangkang ikondisyon ang kaisipan ng mamamayang Pilipino, wala pang maituturing na anumang ebidensya o aligasyon na napapatunayan ng prosekusyon sa simpleng dahilan na ang bawat ebidensya ay kailangang dumaan muna sa paglilitis at pagsusuri ng korteng may tanging kapangyarihan sa ilalim ng ating saligang batas. Higit sa lahat, ang anumang paglilitis ay kailangang naayon sa itinatakda ng ating batas at konstitusyon at hindi lamang sa kagustuhan ng iilang may hawak ng kapangyarihan.
Chair notes the entry of appearance of the counsels for Respondent Vice President Sara Zimmerman Duterte. Counsel respondent will kindly make your comments and avoid asking.
The first witness for the prosecution in the person of NBI senior agents. He is well-trained, having undergone extensive training in the field, making him competent.
I was trained for 2 weeks intensive training.
2 weeks of intensive training. Reminder, nakikinig yung taong bayan, pakilakasan ng boses. Okay?
Did the President file any criminal complaint against the Vice President?
I have no personal knowledge.
Did the First Lady Lisa Araneta Marcos file any criminal complaint against VP Sara?
I have no personal knowledge.
You also do not have personal knowledge of the alleged assassin that was allegedly hired by the Vice President.
No, sir.
Did you really investigate this case?
Your
Withdrawn, Your Honor.
argument that they
Withdrawn.
are please.
Withdrawn.
Did you really investigate this?
Because I promised I would declare a break somewhere in between, depending on how long your Director Rick Ross will be. I can call the break after the Rick Ross and the statement of the counsel correspondent. So we break on a good point.
Okay, never mind.
Directed investigation. What does that mean?
There is instruction from above, sir.
From?
Above. From
Above.
upper.
What does above mean?
It may be the DOJ or the higher.
Higher. What's higher than the DOJ?
Based on that, it's only the DOJ, sir.
Based on this. You said above the DOJ.
Ano ba exactly yung sinabi ng Vice President nung araw na yan, November 23, 2024?
Objection, Your Honor.
Well, I'm not yet done.
Instead of this, Your Honor, may I ask that the Honorable Court direct the witness to allow me to object before answering? Because
No.
precisely the questioning of the prosecutor, there are many pauses, which it's confusing if he's done or not.
Maybe it's the tone. No? I'll be quick. What particular statements of the Vice President on that day did you investigate?
Objection, Your Honor. Vague. Objection, Your Honor.